Hey, this is Lorena, and I wanted to do I wanted to do a video on how I hold my fabric when I float my quilts on the long arm, and also do a trick I figured out on how not to have that puddling back fabric. So let's do this. Okay, I wanted to share with you one of the tools that I use to hold down the fabric when I'm floating my quilts. I use a ruler. This, it's not a ruler, a magnet. Yeah, magnet. Magnet. Okay, I love these magnets. They hold the top fabric down instead of having to sew the top fabric to the leader. I float my quilts. I do not put a leader on my quilt top. I'll put some videos here, up here somewhere, on the way I set up my long arm, but I use this tool. This is called a magnet tool holder. I got these at Northern Tools. That's what it was. They had a pack of 3. You could find these, I think, at like O'Reilly's. You could go on Amazon and get a package of 3. I saw them at Gamble. For one of them, they wanted $10. At O'Reilly, you can get 3 for about $15 to $18. Only thing is this sucker is hard to peel off the metal bar. A lot of people are using plastic snaps that you snap into the bar to hold the fabric down. I don't like those because my arms, you have to, I don't know. I just don't like them. I found these are cheaper and they're easier to use, and I'll show you how to get these off, because this magnet really holds to that metal bar and it's hard to peel off. So a friend of mine a while back showed me to get doorknobs or drawer knobs and screw them on here. So I'll show you how you do that. I also figured out something else to do with this tool, which it really helped me a lot because I was struggling on the back fabric puddling, and this tool kind of resolved that problem. I don't know if you can see how it puddles. I'm gonna get you a good angle. I don't know if you see like a valley. So I'm gonna bring you down with me. I'm going to lift the bar that holds the back fabric. What I found, and this is what works really great, is if I get this tool, a fabric down to here, and I'm going to tuck it in. So here it kind of angles down, and look, if you just push this into the bar, it lifts this fabric up. I've talked about these before, but I think the video was so long that you may have not seen this. So I really do thank you for watching, and I hope you like this sweet little tool. I figured out another use for it other than, well, God, I can't think today. Ruler. This, it's not a ruler, a magnet. Yeah, magnet. Nothing. SMAR.